Every day, millions enjoy Cadbury Dairy Milk. But how are these delicious bars made? Let's step inside the factory. See the incredible process behind every bite. Exterior: chocolate factory at sunrise. Trucks arrive with cocoa beans and milk. Inside, raw cocoa beans are cleaned. They are roasted in massive machines. Steam rises, conveyor belts move smoothly. Cocoa beans are ground into liquid chocolate. Close-up of flowing melted chocolate. Glossy texture, slow motion shots. Milk and sugar mixing process begins. Huge automated mixing tanks are used. Precise robotic controls are visible. Digital screens display the process. Chocolate refinement, conching, and tempering. Rotating machines create silky texture. Rich brown color, satisfying visual flow. Molding process. Liquid chocolate is poured. It is poured into dairy milk bar molds. Vibrating machines remove air bubbles. Perfect bar shapes are forming now. Cooling tunnel. Bars move through chambers. Temperature-controlled environment ensure quality. Bars become solid and shiny here. Automatic wrapping line starts up quickly. Robotic arms wrap bars in purple wrappers. Barcode scanning ensures correct labeling. Quality inspection cameras check each bar. Final packaging, boxes are being sealed. They are stacked and loaded for shipping. Warehouse view, pallets moving automatically. In shot, a perfect dairy milk bar breaks. It reveals smooth texture and rich shine. Enjoy the taste of Cadbury chocolate.